For more than 60 years, NASA has shown us breathtaking images of the moon, its craters, its dusty plains, its lonely beauty. But what if I told you that there's another side of the moon? One we were never meant to see? A side filled with mysteries, strange signals, and unexplained structures, hidden from the public for decades. Tonight, we'll dive deep into the secrets NASA never told us about the hidden side of the moon. Stay tuned, because what you're about to discover might just change how you see space forever. Welcome to our journey beyond the visible horizon, to the far side of the moon. Unlike the near side that faces Earth, the far side has remained in total darkness for most of human history. It's not dark because there's no light, it's called dark because we never see it. For centuries, astronomers could only imagine what it looked like, until NASA's missions finally revealed it. But what they found, some say, was not what they expected. In 1959, the Soviet spacecraft Luna 3 became the first to photograph the far side of the moon. The images shocked scientists. It looked totally different from the side we see every night. There were massive craters, deep scars, and strange flat plains that shouldn't exist. Why was one side so smooth? And the other, so violent? NASA's scientists said it was because of gravitational locking. The moon's rotation keeps one side permanently facing Earth. But some experts weren't convinced. They believed something far more mysterious shaped the moon's hidden side. During the Apollo missions, astronauts orbited the moon dozens of times. Each time they passed over the far side, communication with Earth went completely dead. No radio. No contact. Just pure silence. NASA explained it as simple signal blockage. But astronauts described it differently. Some heard strange music-like sounds in their headsets. Buzz Aldrin and other Apollo 10 crew members reported eerie whistling noises that no one could explain. NASA later called it space interference, but the recordings were classified for decades. Why? What were they hiding? In the 1970s, a series of photographs taken by Apollo 15 and Apollo 17 surfaced. Among the craters were geometric structures, perfectly straight lines, triangular shadows, and even tower-like shapes. At first, scientists dismissed them as tricks of light. But decades later, higher resolution satellite scans from China's Chang'e probe showed the same anomalies still there. Some researchers claim these formations look artificial. Could they be remnants of ancient alien engineering? Or evidence that someone, or something, was there before us? Declassified NASA documents mention several lunar anomalies under code names like Project Clementine and Blue Gem. These projects focused on mapping areas of the far side that were off limits to public release. One whistleblower, former NASA contractor Ken Johnston, claimed that NASA had edited lunar photos before showing them to the public. He said, there were domes, structures, and glass-like towers. But they were all airbrushed out. NASA denied his claims, but refused to release the unedited archives. If there's nothing to hide, why hide it? In 2019, China's Chang'e 4 mission became the first to land on the far side of the moon. Soon after landing, Chinese scientists detected an unusual low-frequency hum beneath the surface. This hum repeated every few hours, like a heartbeat. Some said it was seismic. Others believed it was artificial. NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter detected similar vibrations years earlier, but never made the data public. Could the moon itself be transmitting something? Or are we picking up signals from something buried deep within? The moon's far side is rich in titanium, far more than expected for a natural body. Titanium is used in spacecraft, jet engines, and high-tech alloys. But what's it doing in such massive concentrations on the far side? Some scientists theorize that the moon was once part of a destroyed planet, but others whisper a different idea, that the moon might actually be artificial. A hollow shell. Placed here intentionally to observe Earth. Even NASA's seismic readings from Apollo suggest hollow echoes beneath the surface, as if the moon rang like a bell. Ancient cultures, from the Sumerians to the Mayans, all describe the moon as a broad object. Some texts even say, the moon came after the sky was divided. How did they know this thousands of years before telescopes? Could ancient civilizations have witnessed the moon's arrival? If so, who brought it here? The same side that always faces us might be by design, a cosmic surveillance mirror. NASA's Artemis program is now preparing to send humans back to the moon, and for the first time, to explore the far side directly. Private companies are racing to mine lunar metals. But the Chinese and Russian space agencies have already mapped zones they call restricted sectors. Why? Because those regions emit unexplained electromagnetic pulses. Even Elon Musk's Starlink satellites have picked up interference whenever they pass behind the moon. Something there doesn't want to be found. Could NASA be keeping this secret to prevent panic? Imagine the global shock if humanity discovered proof of alien activity so close to home. Governments might collapse. Religions might divide. Maybe silence is the safest option. But as technology advances, more private missions are uncovering the truth, piece by piece. So now you know, the far side of the moon isn't just dark. It's mysterious, secretive, and perhaps alive with ancient energy. Whether it's alien, artificial, or something far beyond our understanding, one thing is certain: NASA hasn't told us everything. And maybe they never will. The question is, when we finally return to the hidden side of the moon, what will we really find there? Stay curious, and keep watching the skies.